Hey guys, it's your girl, Looking Make Kitty Cat Drew. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today, I'm just here in Animal Jam. Not mean like that. And, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting in a while, besides my live streams, because I am doing live streams a lot, and I barely ever do, videos. I do a lot of live streams. But, yeah. So, this is my plushie collection that I have over here, very nerdy and lame. Yeah, and I just love this one right here. But I have an even better one. And also, guys, let me know I won't be posting for a month, about a month, because I'm going away for summer. Okay, that's being made. So, yeah, I'm gonna be away for summer. So for the summer, and I won't be able to post for a month. I'm going to Europe and I am not excited for it because last time when I went there I got 52 mosquito bites. Anyway, this is my favorite plushie that I have. It's my Gucci llama. My Gucci llama. So you see, I think that was going to be, walking around, find some great stuff to do. And by the way, guys, there was a new update. It's the Freedom Party. It is amazing. And the flower crown is back, the Freedom flower crown, and then they had their Spike Weekend thing, and the ones that I got were the lava spiked collar, um, mirror spiked collar, zero spiked collar, rare spiked collar, donut and my donut spiked collar, and those are all spiked. Well, I got the short one too. I got a short spiked collar, but I trade that away for I don't know what it was. Oh, for this. For the rainbow tail armor because I really wanted it. So yeah. So how about we just okay, so let's go Ivy Girl. Let me see. I give love to AJ. Okay. Okay. Chico. It says it there. Oh yeah, because they are online. Jammer Beta. Whoa, you got a spicy name right there. Oh my god, they have a blue top hat? No way. No freaking way. Okay. I must get this the blue, top hat. Okay. Okay. Where's Animal Jam item worth wiki? I gotta search this up. See if I see it or not. Top hat. Alright. Wait. Okay, click on that. Okay. What is the blue one worth? Blue one. It's worth 5 to 6 rare item Mondays. Okay, great. Now I can. Are they still in their den? Where did they go? Did they go to my den? Probably did. Yep. Uh, okay, guys. So now I'm gonna try to trade for their blue top hat. I really want this. 5 to 6 rare Mondays. So I'm keeping that. Rare doctor's bag. I'll put that there. I'm not. No. No. Put the wrist fire on trade. 2. No, I want to keep that rare curly wig. It's 3. I really hope that she accepts this. Or him. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl. It's 4. Okay. I'm gonna give him 5 rare item Mondays plus, oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna give him 6 rare item Mondays because I want to give him this top hat also. What I think that's 5, I think. I'll show you them these reindeers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rare items. Rare item Mondays. Please, please accept it. Please, I'm just crossing my fingers right now, hoping that they are going to accept it. No, they declined it. And then they said that they're gonna be right back. I need to watch where they're going. Also, like, I just really want this top hat so badly. You know, I actually worked my butt off trying to get that top hat, believe it or not. So yeah, don't know what to do anymore. Oh yeah, there's another part, and I decorated this den. it's the Cosmos den, and this is amazing. I love this. I made a whole little scene over here. It's Christmas. Hey. Sorry guys, it is 10:20 in the morning for me. I am exhausted. So now I'm just gonna wait for them to get back, unless they're not going to come back. I do not know yet. Oh yeah, and another thing I want to show you guys is my brand new look that I made. Look at this gorgeous thing right here. Hashtag Pepper. I copy Pepper's look. I like to copy a lot of YouTubers, you know, because they're awesome. All YouTubers are great, and that's why I'm really, really, really hoping to get that blue top hat so I can remake Squirm's look. Because Squirm is, in my opinion, one of the best YouTubers ever. I love him so much. He is the best. He is he's grateful for everything that he has. He's nice. And yeah. Yeah. So yeah. And I do not, in my opinion, okay, we're just gonna start talking about YouTuber ships. So right now, yes, I just say ships, not the other one, ships. So anyways, so some YouTuber ships that I do not accept is, Skepper, and, I was gonna say just Pari, no. Um, wait, hold on. Um, and the one for, and the name for, Julian 2 and Mysterious Mode. I forgot the ship name for it though. But yeah, and I think those are really all the ships that I know. But yeah, I do not, absolutely do not accept that Scupper, in my opinion. Okay. Um, so how about we just go find something else to do while I'm wearing this outfit, and I don't want to wear this outfit. Oh, for a second, everyone was able to see me. Why do I... Okay, this is weird. Why are you playing animals in a different language? Do you want to return to your language? How on earth did my language change? Yes, I want to return to my language. No. Yes. Yes. How do I change back? What did I do? Okay, it's gone. Hallelujah. Whew. Okay. Got it. So, how about we go do some trading now? Because I do have a lot of goodies on trade. I got these amazing items on trade, including that blue wall, that wonderful rare space color. And, yeah, so and I have a party or two. Darn it! Okay then. Let's go do some trading now. While we have the time to. And then I will let you guys know if I got my whatchamacallit, if I got that blue top hat that I really wanted. I lost the freedom party. Oh, well, that sucks. I lost the freedom party. Just kidding. I mean, like, well, it's always like on another time, you know. It's like it's never. It's like it's not ever. What? It's like it's not never gonna happen. So it's not like it's never gonna happen again. That's all better. Let me see. Generator, what are you doing? I wanna go over to them because I really. Animal Jam. Why? Okay, okay. Let's try to get over to him or her again. Them. Let's get over to them. We can try to trade now. You know, see if they accept it. And where even are they? You got to be kidding me. So they said they want one den beta each. Okay, and so I got my den beta, and so I got my den beta, and now she's gone. Like, really? Why I got my spikes? What? What? Bow down, peasants. Oh, my list for bad long. Yes, it's fair. Okay, let's see what they got. Just a that's it. Just one rare furry hat. My list for black lion, jags, me, Dale. That Dale deal. Okay, so trade me for my dudes. Trade me fair, my dudes. Why don't we check out what they have on trade? Okay, guys. So I wasn't able to get what I wanted, the top hat, but I did get a pink long and a flower crown and a ring. But I got that pink long, that flower crown, and then that light up horseshoe. I am so happy. Those are my dream items right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Keep safe and jam on. Mwah. Lucky My Kitty AJ is out.